What if I told you Samsung is about to rewrite smartphone history once again? A phone so powerful, so intelligent, and so futuristic that it may finally make laptops and cameras feel unnecessary. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Today, I'll reveal everything we know so far. New upgrades, camera changes, AI features, battery improvements, performance boost, and the expected release date. So stay till the end, because some of these upgrades are insane. Let's begin. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be Samsung's most advanced flagship ever. Samsung is not just upgrading specs, they are changing how we use smartphones. With deeper AI integration, next-generation camera hardware, and a refined premium design, the S26 Ultra aims to dominate 2026 smartphones. This phone is built for power users, content creators, mobile photographers, gamers, and AI lovers. Samsung is expected to refine the Ultra design rather than redesign it. Expected design changes: slightly thinner and lighter body, stronger armor aluminum 3.0, new generation Gorilla Glass Armor Plus, even more flat display edges, smaller bezels for a cleaner look. The S Pen stays but now more responsive and optimized for AI tools. Samsung wants the phone to feel luxury, professional, and future-ready. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED to X QHD plus resolution, 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, up to 3000 nits brightness, improved outdoor visibility, lower power consumption. Samsung may introduce AI display tuning, which automatically adjusts colors, brightness, and contrast based on what you're watching. Movies, gaming, and social media will feel cinematic and ultra smooth. Powering the S26 Ultra will be either Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy or Exynos 2600 select regions. Performance improvements: 30-40 faster CPU, huge GPU performance boost, advanced on-device AI processing, better thermal management. This phone is built to handle console-level gaming, edit 4,000 and 8,000 videos, run AI tasks offline without lag. Simply put, this will be one of the fastest phones ever made. Samsung is going all in on AI with the S26 Ultra. New AI upgrades: real-time call translation without internet, AI email and message rewriting, AI image generation and editing, smart note summarization, AI photo enhancement, AI voice cloning limited and safe use. Your phone will understand you, adapt to your habits, and save time every day. Samsung wants S26 Ultra to feel like a personal assistant, not just a phone. Now let's talk about the most exciting part: the camera. Expected camera setup: 200MP main camera, new sensor, improved ultra-wide lens, enhanced periscope telephoto, better low-light performance, faster focusing. Major camera improvements: larger sensor size, better night photography, AI-powered zoom stabilization, natural skin tones, more realistic HDR. Samsung is also improving 8000 video stabilization, cinematic video mode, pro camera controls. This phone could replace professional camera. For many creators, the front camera is expected to receive better low-light selfies, improved video clarity, enhanced face tracking, cleaner background blur, perfect for vlogging, reels, TikTok, video calls. Samsung is focusing on efficiency instead of just size. Battery expectations: around 5500 mAh battery, better AI battery management, all-day heavy usage, charging, faster wired charging, improved wireless charging, reverse wireless charging for accessories, less charging anxiety, more productivity. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch with Android 16, One UI 8. Samsung promises 7 years of updates, better privacy controls, smarter multitasking, cleaner interface, under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, face unlock improvements, Samsung Knox security. Satellite connectivity support expected. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.4. This phone is built for the next decade. After some confusion around the cancellation of the Galaxy S26 Edge and how that affected the release date of the entire Galaxy S26 series, it looked like Samsung had settled on a typical January launch. But a new leak suggests that the Samsung Galaxy S26 will now land in February, with the phones going on sale in March. Reputable leaker Ice Universe, who has a long and accurate track record, posted on X that the Samsung Galaxy S26 series will be launched in February at a Galaxy Impact event. With the phones going on sale in March, Ice Universe has long maintained that this is Samsung's launch schedule, previously claiming that the release had been postponed. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be smarter, faster, more powerful, more camera-focused, more AI-driven than ever before. If you want the best Android phone of 2026, this might be the one. Many leaks suggest that Samsung will keep the base price similar to the S25 Ultra launch price, which was around $1,299 USD. But higher storage configurations may cost more due to inflation and new features. DDXB News Network 1. Price range summary estimated $1,299 $1,799 plus USD depending on storage and configuration. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest tech updates.